the competition between English and French. The Portuguese and the Dutch had withdrawn from India, unable to withstand the competition from French and English by 18th century. Finally, French and English resorted to show of strength in order to establish their political supremacy over India. Meanwhile, political instability arose in the regions of Hyderabad and Carnatic, and both English and French tried to exploit the situation in their favor. This led to three Carnatic wars. When Mughals became weak, the governors declared themselves independent. So, in this way, Hyderabad kingdom was established in 1724 by Asaf Jah. His feudatory Dost Ali, who was ruling Carnatic region, was not loyal to him. The Marathas killed Dost Ali in 1740 and looted Carnatic and imprisoned his son-in-law Chanda Sahib in Satara. Asaf Jah named Anwaruddin as the new Nawab of Carnatic in the place of Dost Ali. Meanwhile, the War of Austrian Succession began in Europe, and this pitched the English and the French against each other. So, the First Carnatic War was an extension of this war in Europe. On request of Dupleix, La Bourdonnais, a French military leader from Mauritius, invaded Madras and captured it. This forced the helpless British to request the help of Anwaruddin, the Nawab of Carnatic. The army sent by Anwaruddin failed to defeat the French at Madras. Finally, La Bourdonnais took money from English and returned Madras and went back to Mauritius. This enraged Dupleix and attempted to take Madras but failed. Finally, the war ended with a treaty in Europe between French and English called Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. Nasir Jung, the son of Asaf Jah, had tried to assassinate Asaf Jah. So Asaf Jah didn't like his son. Instead, he wanted his daughter's son, Muzaffar Jung, to be his successor. So after the death of Asaf Jah in 1748, a tussle started between his son Nasir Jung and his daughter's son Muzaffar Jung for the throne. Meanwhile, Chanda Sahib was released from prison by Marathas. So he fought with Anwaruddin in Carnatic. After the first Carnatic War, Dupleix was finding an excuse to start a fight with English. So the French extended their support to Muzaffar Jung in Hyderabad and Chanda Sahib in Carnatic. English had already lined with Anwaruddin, so they extended their support to Nasir Jung and Anwaruddin. In 1749, the combined forces of French, Chanda Sahib, and Muzaffar Jung defeated Anwaruddin and killed him in the Battle of Ambor. As a result, Chanda Sahib became the ruler of Carnatic. Muhammad Ali, son of Anwaruddin, stayed at Tiruchirappalli with the help of English. In Hyderabad, Muzaffar Jung became the Nizam by killing Nasir Jung with the help of the French and Chanda Sahib. He was killed after a few days. The French made Salamat Jung, another son of Asaf Jah, as the Nizam of Hyderabad. Second Carnatic War. In the changed circumstances, French made Salamat Jung, another son of Asaf Jah, as the Nizam of Hyderabad. An officer named Bassi was stationed in Hyderabad for his protection by the French. In the Carnatic, Chanda Sahib had become the Nawab with the help of French. Robert Clive of English East India Company attacked Arcot, the capital city of Carnatic, and defeated Chanda Sahib. Chanda Sahib was imprisoned and later killed in the war. In the place of Chanda Sahib, the English named Muhammad Ali, the son of Anwaruddin, as the Nawab of Carnatic. The Second Carnatic War ended with the Treaty of Pondicherry. The French recalled Dupleix. This war brought laurels to English, while French suffered a political setback. The Third Carnatic War. Count de Lally of French attempted to besiege Wandiwash in 1760. In this decisive battle, Sir Eyre of English army defeated the French and imprisoned Bassi. Lally escaped and hid in Pondicherry. Finally, Ayarkut attacked Pondicherry and Lally had to surrender unconditionally in 1761. The French lost all their bases in India due to the Carnatic Wars. In spite of this, as per the Treaty of Paris signed in 1763, Pondicherry was returned to French. With these developments, the French lost their importance in India. In this way, the English, by defeating all their rivals, started consolidating their power in southern India.